Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today we're gonna talk about diphthongs. There are 8 diphthongs in English. And do you know what is diphthongs? When we put two vowel sounds together, it's called diphthongs, such as a, I, U, and the per vowel sounds are also called as monophthongs, but we're going to talk about diphthongs. So there are 8 diphthongs: a, I, oi, o, ear, ow, air. So let us talk about a. There are different words with a, such as make, bake, weigh, may, say, stay, may, a, stay, say, a. Number 2 is I, not I, I, such as buy, fly, buy, fry, dry, cry, buy, fly. Now, oi, o-e, not o-e, oi, long vowel, oi, such as toy, boy, koi, oi, toy. Now, o. This is shua sound. Shua. It's an upside down E. This is an upside down E, which is known as shua sound. It is not a, it is not a, not a, middle. Normal. And plus U becomes O. Such in no. It's not no, it's no. No, it's not so, it's so. O. So, no, O. Now, U, and then again shua sound. Such in poor, another poor, sure, poor, Now, ear, again shua sound. Ear. Such an appear. Dear. Fear. Gear. Sneer. Appear. Disappear. Now, ow. Not or a, it's a. We learned it here with I, buy, fly. Ow. Such in mouse, house, mow, house, mouse, house, ow. ow. The last one is L. L. It is a little different. Look. The E is A, we know. E, 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 A. So E is A and then schwa sound, in the middle of A and A, A, fair. You know, fair, it's not fair. Fair. Hair. Air. Hair. Air. 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 So let's give a quick revision. A, say, may. I, buy, fly. Oi, toy, boy. O, no, so, poor, sure. Ear, appear, dear. Owl, mouse, house, air, fair, hair. This is all about diphthongs. Allah Hafiz.